हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे फंक्शन के बारे में। फंक्शन क्या होता है, सी लैंग्वेज के अंदर हम कैसे फंक्शन को यूज़ करेंगे एंड व्हाट्स द बेनिफिट ऑफ यूजिंग फंक्शन। सो फर्स्टली मैं थोड़ा सा थ्योरेटिकली आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि फंक्शन का जो मेन काम है दैट इज़ यूज फॉर द रीयूजेबिलिटी ऑफ द कोड। फॉर एग्जांपल, मुझे किसी ब्लॉक ऑफ कोड को 12 मल्टीपल टाइम्स किसी फंक्शन में या कहीं पे भी मुझे अपने प्रोग्राम में यूज़ करना है। लाइक आई हैव 20-30 lines of code and I have to use it again and again in my code. So I have two choices. I will write it again and again and my code is very lengthy. In that case, this is not a good practice of code. So there I introduce the concept of function. फंक्शन में हमें फैसिलिटी मिलती है कि मैं एक ब्लॉक ऑफ कोड को राइट कर देता हूँ एंड देन बाय द नेम ऑफ दैट फंक्शन आई कैन यूज इट एनी नंबर ऑफ टाइम एंड एनीवेयर इन माय प्रोग्राम. So let's come to my screen and let's do some practice code about the function. I hope my screen is visible to you. Again, I'm using some online compiler. You ignore it. You can use as your own software or whatever you are using. Here we will discuss about some functions. Before that, I want to tell you few more things like function have two types. One is the user defined function and second is the predefined functions. Like predefined जो function होते हैं वो होते हैं किसी भी लैंग्वेज में जो ऑलरेडी हमें मिलते हैं, जस्ट हमें उनको यूज करना होता है. एंड यूजर डिफाइंड फंक्शन होते हैं कि जिनको यूजर लाइक एनी प्रोग्रामर, अगर मैं कोड लिख रहा हूँ तो जो मैं फंक्शन क्रिएट करूंगा, दोज आर द यूजर डिफाइंड फंक्शंस. सो टुडे वी विल टॉक बोथ ऑफ देम इन द कोड. That's okay. Here we will write some function like I delete all the commented lines and firstly I am going to run this code. So this is the hello world. Here printf is the predefined function and main also is a predefined function. Predefined mean these both functions are already provided by that programming language to me and I'm just using the name of those functions and getting the output. Okay, so let's make our own function. Start from there. I give a data type of function, which type, like I start with void, and then name of function I can give it like my function. By following the naming rules you can give any name and starting brackets of function and then I'm use printf and here this is my own function. Okay, and let me close it and I'm going to call it there. How we can call it? My function. I think there is a spelling mistake. Please make it correct. The function function. Compiler didn't tell you a spelling mistake. It's everything is correct for the compiler, just the name. So I close it and comment out the printf. So what do you think? What is the output? So this is my output. I have this particular line from my own custom or user defined function. I can do anything, any block of code, like if I have some variables a is equal to 10. This is again one more basic example, and int b is equal to 40, any number. Again, like I will do it the addition. Int sum is equal to a plus b. This is very most basic one, and I hope you are already aware about that. Just I'm writing this block of code or this line of code in my own function, and here I change the text. Sum is equal to and %d for the integer number, and here I'm trying to print the sum. Is there any mistake? I think no. Let's run it and check it. Is it working fine? Yeah, this is working fine, but I want it's not come in the same line, so that I will use there another thing like /n used for the next line. So like this you can use the any function in the C language. There is one more concept is there, like I want to pass these variables from the parameter. What is parameter? Like I want to pass the data these like a and b from that main, and in that case I have to pass the data in these two brackets, and these passing of data in these two brackets are known as the parameter passing. So let me do it for you. I cut from there and paste it there. Here I am sending a and b, and there I am receiving, you can take it the another name like x and y, and here I'm change the name of those variables x and y. And I hope that time this is again work in same way. Yes, this is working in the same way. There is I'm passing the parameters. So these are the very most important things, like I'm passing the parameters. And one more thing, if I want to return something from this function, then I will take it instead of void integer. At that time it will return some value with the data type of integer, ret return, and I want to return sum. But in that case I have to write these line again. So here int sum is equal to that. In that case the return value of that from that function I am storing in this sum, and here I will use this again printf sum is equal to %d, and sum, this is variable there, and I'm trying to run again. The output is almost same. I comment out these printf, so that's why it's not visible to me there. So in that way you can write your own function. You can use any predefined function like printf, and there's some mathematics related functions I will discuss in another video. So today we will focus on the function part and the parameters. And here you can pass any number of parameter, like at that time I'm using 2. You can pass the 1 2 3 4 5. Let's do a one more example, like I am passing their single value. It is the side of a square, and I have to find out the area. Area of square. Okay, and then I want to return it from there. Again I change the name of variable and accessing it there. This is like area, and again I have to just paste it there. You can use only single example, not compulsory like use both of them. So area of square again. So what is the output? Is it, oops, it's showing some error. So why is it like x and y is not there, so I have to change it x. Okay, so what's the output? See, it's giving me 100. Why? Because I'm passing 10. It's considering only first parameter, it's ignore the second parameter. I can delete it from there, and again it's giving me same example. So this is the function, very simple. You can create your own functions, any number of the lines in that block of code in body of that function, and you can use it any number of time. Like if I need it like again for the b also, in that case I will copy it again and I will show you. One more thing is there, area 1 and here area 2, and there I will pass like second edge, and then I want to print out both of them, like don't want to one, I want both of them. Copy and again paste it. In the programming, copy and pasting is the most common thing. You must be habitual for that. And again I'm going to run it. So this is the I wrote the code only once, and I'm calling this function again and again there is in this code it is 2 times. You can use it 2, 3, 4, 5, any number of times, whatever you need. And for the next line, as I already told you, I have to use /n and next. So that is the function, and you can use it like that. It's very easy. And if you do have any issue, any problem, any query, please write in the comments. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for the today.